If you're experiencing controller drift while playing GTA 5, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu of your gaming console or PC. Look for controller settings and ensure that the dead zone settings are adjusted properly. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift. Step 2. Clean the controller. Inspect the analog sticks for dirt or debris. Use a can of compressed air or a soft cloth to clean around the base of the sticks. This can help eliminate any physical obstructions causing the drift. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or the console settings for any available updates. Updating can resolve compatibility issues that may lead to drift. Step 4. Test on another game. Try using the controller on a different game to see if the drift persists. If the issue occurs only in GTA 5, it may be a game-specific problem rather than a hardware issue. Step 5. Reset the controller. If the drift continues, consider resetting the controller to its factory settings. Refer to the user manual for instructions on how to perform a reset. This can help resolve any software glitches causing the drift. If these steps do not resolve the issue, you may need to consider professional repair or replacement of the controller.